Hello everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate, and today we are just 10 minutes from Nairobi CBD, and this is the most exclusive gated estate in Runda right now. From the comfort that comes with mature trees to the beauty and the freshness that comes from Karura Forest, this estate will give you privacy, comfort, and class. The facade of each unit is very beautiful. The architectural design is very modern and very contemporary, and I like it that the developer was able to mix neutral colors that makes these houses timeless. Each home will enjoy a private green space that will give you an ample space for you to rest or enjoy the morning sunrise. For the two units that are facing Karura Forest, you'll be enjoying birds chirping in the morning and an exclusive view that will never be interrupted. That is very important. Without wasting more time, let's jump to the specs of these units. Each unit is a 4-bedroom plus an employee quarters townhouse. Print area starting from 381 square meters, and the prices are starting from 155 million Kenya shillings. For 155 million Kenya shillings, you get the two units that are not furnished. These two, which are furnished, are going for 165 million Kenya shillings. I'll show you the show house, and if you're interested in purchasing any of these units, you know what to do. Our number will be attached in the first comment or down here. Call us. My name is Mungai Kihara, and you are watching African Real Estate. These units are in the UN Blue Zone, and on top of that, you get so many other amenities. The developer has given you a biodigester, water storage, that is underground water storage. On top of each unit, you get solar water heaters. The developer has also added a centralized LPG supply, and each home comes with a provision of CCTV cameras, and you also get a controlled manned gate system. Before I take you inside, I want us to discuss how this developer was keen on environmental conservation. He promised not to cut any tree. That's why you see this tree is coming from the base of the house through the roof of this unit, and it is still blossoming above the home. That is very nice, because it's not very nice to cut a hardwood like this one, which takes so many years to mature. Each unit comes with a 3-car parking, and if you like having a shed, that one can be provided by the developer. When you assess this kind of houses, you'll understand that the price does not come from the size of the house or the location itself, but also on the quality of the materials used. From the main entrance, you can see that this developer was able to give you a hardwood door, which is very posh, high quality, and very well crafted. Normally, the purpose of a door is to open and close a unit, but when you get to this level, the door becomes an art piece that complements everything else that is in the unit. Right now, we are in the living room, which has been done extremely well. I like it that it is giving you a spacious space where you can do your 7-seater all the way to a 9-seater couch. This side has been reserved for your electronics. If you have a big TV, if you have your home theater, your soundbar, those ones can be mounted on this wall. The other walls have been given big windows by the developer to make sure that the indoor-outdoor environment is being felt, and the developer has made sure that these windows are double glazed, just in case you don't want any noise. So when you close them, you are away from the world. but when you open them, you can rejoin the world. As we are going through this video, I want you to assess the quality of these furnitures, because if you want to take this unit, you'll have to give the developer 165 million Kenya shillings. The furniture is very nice and it is complementing the structure of the unit. What I want us to talk about is the wooden floor that you get all around the unit. This is hardwood. It has been tiled very well and it is blending very well with everything else in this unit. The living room is getting a very good access to the main garden, and from here you can be able to do an outside sitting area where you can enjoy the sun while you are getting the best view of your living room. The ceilings are high and they are a blend of gypsum and wood. That combination is very, very unique and it is making this unit look very beautiful. There has always been a fight between the people who like round tables and the other set of people who like rectangular tables. I am the latter, but today I'll act as the referee because I don't understand how this circular table has fitted in this space so well. As you can see, it is a 6-seater and this would be excellent for your family, especially when you are living in a 4-bedroom like this. That means it is a low density unit, but still you're getting extra spaces where you can host. Let's assume your person over here, your 2 children, and you have 2 seats over there where you can host 2 guests. That is very important. And on top of that, you can sit on a round table, have a good meal as you're having a good conversation. Is that not what life is about? For this unit, the developer was targeting the retirees. That is why he has given this unit an open plan format so that you can be able to access everything from a walking distance without getting very tired. As I said, this unit has been done in a UN blue zone. So if you are working in those high-paying jobs, this is your target, and we want you to take one of these homes because this would be excellent after you have retired from what you do. As you can see, the kitchen has been done excellently. It is coming with 3 seats over here where you can sit and enjoy your breakfast. This also can act as a bar area. The kitchen is an open plan kitchen. As I mentioned, you have a 5-burner cooktop at the center of this semi-island, and the hood has been suspended from the ceiling. The cabinetry is of high quality. The kitchen is coming with fixed appliances, and a dishwasher is very, very important. The developer has also given this kitchen numerous storage spaces so that you can fit all your kitchenware, cutlery, and crockery. Excellent. The kitchen is also coming with this door that is opening the laundry area on the left-hand side and an outside kitchen sitting area where you can relax and enjoy a bit of privacy. Before we leave this space, the kitchen comes with a side-by-side refrigerator which comes with a knock-knock function. And I know most of you are asking, why do you need to knock on a fridge? The reason is simple. The salad can be dressing. This unit is also coming with a pantry where you have some extra storage where you can keep your dry foods. The units in this gated estate come with a lift, and this is very, very important, especially when you are a senior citizen. And as you can see, everything is working perfectly. Right now, we are in the common washroom, and it comes with a very, very unique feature. As you can see, it comes with a sensor up here. When you get in, it fires up the fan to make sure that the air circulation in this washroom is just excellent. Sio ni kitu mtu amefikiria vizuri sana. On this side, it comes with a vanity. You have your floating WC over here, which is coming with a bidet sprayer, and you have a big mirror on this side to make sure that you are getting the best view of yourself as you're doing your business. From the common washroom next to the lift, you have an access over here which is taking you to the employee quarters, which is on my left hand side, and on my right hand side you're going to get the guest bedroom. These are the only bedrooms that you get on this level. The other 3 bedrooms are on the upper level, and we'll see that in a minute. The guest bedroom is very spacious. I like the theme that the interior designer applied in this room. You have your bed space over here, which is coming with two side drawers for your electronics, or maybe a phone, maybe a lampshade or something like that. On my right hand side, the developer has given you a floor to ceiling closet which comes up. The guest bedroom is also enjoying an outside sitting area to where you can sit down here and enjoy the cold breezes that are coming from Karura Forest. This is an excellent space for your guests and they'll feel at home and very welcomed. This is the guest bathroom and it comes with all the features that you may require. What to note is that the vanity is slightly smaller than the one that we saw in the common washroom. Behind the door, we have the shower cubicle of this bedroom. The employee quarters is coming with two doors. This one, which is an entrance to the employee quarters, and you have another one on this side, which is an exit to the laundry area and the other utility spaces. It is not furnished because we are waiting for you to furnish it according to your employee needs. This bedroom is a one bedroom, one bathroom unit where the bathroom is on my left hand side, adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we will see in this unit. From the lower bedrooms, I'll take the lift and we will meet upstairs. You guys are coming by the stairs. Bye for now. For more details about this video and for the shorter version of this video, make sure you check our TikTok or our Instagram at African Real Estate. And if you have some units that you want to sell, make sure you post them to our website, africanrealestate.com. That's a beautiful lift, man. The staircase of this unit has been done very well and it comes with glass which has been combined with wood to make a very good picture. This is very modern. You have some good finishes on that wall and the chandelier is complementing the whole look. On this other side, you have the study area or the office space, and this is where if you have some grandsons who have come to visit you, this is where they are supposed to do their assignments. And if you have some job that you need to work on as fast as possible, you can sit here as the king or the queen of this home and enjoy the good view as you are doing a bit of maths or as you're watching your finances go up. On this level, we have 3 bedrooms. You have one big bedroom on this wing. At the center, you have a special bedroom which has been set aside for your caregiver. That is, if you are a retiree, you may need a nurse or someone to take care of you. Not necessarily a housekeeper, but maybe a caregiver. This bedroom has been curated to fit that person. On my far front, we have the primary bedroom, which is targeting you as the owner of this unit, and we will start with that one because it's targeting you guys and you need to see where you'll be spending the rest of your life. For a primary bedroom, this is more than standard, way more than what you may get in this level of housing. As you can see, you have your sleeping space over there, which is very good and very comfortable. You have a massive bathroom on the left hand side. This is a walk-in closet, and the developer has not forgotten to give you a sitting space where you can sit, enjoy a book, do a prayer, or have a conversation with your sweetheart. For the people who have small bedrooms, you can only have breakfast in bed. But if you have a huge bedroom like this, what you can get is breakfast in the bedroom, and from this part of the bedroom you'll be able to enjoy your breakfast as you are enjoying that good view. Is that not excellent? Quality at its best. The walk-in closet has been designed very well, and as you can see, it is coming with big window to give you enough natural light as you are dressing. You get 8 drawers over here to keep your small garments like underwears, handkerchiefs, and maybe other small clothes. You have a space here for your suits where you can hang them over here or take them from here, and then when you are done, you can push them into the closet. This other space has been reserved for the foldable clothes, and all this set of closet is just a replica to this other side. So your partner can take this one and you can take this other one. The primary bathroom comes with huge everything. On my left hand side, you get a huge vanity which comes with a huge mirror. On my right hand side, you get the biggest shower cubicle, and right now we are sitting on the WC. The bathroom also feels very spacious, and as I mentioned, each room in this development comes with air conditioning, even the bathrooms. This is the second bedroom on this level, and it is targeting your caregiver. You have their office over there. One part of the closet is here and the other part is here. Their bed is not the biggest, though they have their control for the room temperature next to their bedside. The bathroom to this bedroom is also huge, and it comes with all the fixtures that you may require. You have a vanity, a WC, and a shower cubicle where the videographer is. I still like that you're getting the mahogany doors and you have these wood finishes across all the spaces. This is the last bedroom in this unit, and it is slightly smaller than the primary bedroom. The only thing that is missing is a walk-in closet, which has been substituted by this one. You also get a dresser on this other side, which has been done very well, and it comes with some extra storage over there. From there, you can see the air conditioning up there, and I like the wooden finishes on that area. For your sleeping space, you have your bed over there, and you have this sitting area over here where you can sit, enjoy a book, or you can have your breakfast in bed. This unit is coming with two big windows on this side. You have a transparent access over here, which is giving you a ton of natural light, and it can also act as the access to the balcony area. We will see the bathroom, and later we will enjoy some good air at the balcony. Each shower cubicle in this development or in this townhouse is coming with a rain head and a handheld. The shower cubicle is spacious enough, and on this other side of the bathroom you get a WC like this one. As usual, it is coming with a bidet sprayer. You have a big window to give you enough natural light, which is an additional to that one, and the vanity comes with some extra storage over here where you can keep all your toiletries. This balcony is huge. The developer told me that it is the same size to the master balcony. The only difference is that this one is square and that one is rectangle. From this balcony, you'll be able to enjoy the best views of this locality. You have the neighboring house over there. This is where you can do a big set like this one. You can sit here, enjoy a bit of work from home, or you may enjoy the sunrise. If you ask me, this is an awesome townhouse in an exclusive estate, and I would recommend you purchase it. Anyway, this is the end of the video, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you want any details, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached in the description box, the first comment all down here. This is African Real Estate, and my name is Mahogany Wakihara.